Hi, it's Mike from customcruisers.com. Here we have a 112923. This is an S&S Super E rebuild kit, also available Super G. As you can see, you get absolutely everything you need to rebuild it. You've got all your jets, absolutely every single spring, all your rubbers, accelerator pump, everything, took over screw, you know, your main jets, the whole lot, your float valve, brand new housing for the float valve, all your gaskets, your throttle flap as well. But basically everything you need. So if you want to rebuild an S&S Super E or Super G, we do these. Super G obviously a bigger setup, but available from customcruisers.com. Alternatively, give us a call 01773 835 666 for all your S&S spares, S&S motors. As you can see, we do masses of gear. S&S motors here, we got big piston kits, got all your billet wheels, got spare motors, used motors, good motors. Another motor for sale, billet brakes, air suspension, starters, big heavy duty starters, 2 kilowatts, you name it, we got it. Ball controls, pretty well everything you'd ever need. Okay, got all your service items as well, brake pads, 6-pot brakes, make the thing stop, all your extra discs, brake lines, anti-flat for your tyres, I'll say billet wheels, exhaust. Give us a bell, 01773 835 666. Alternatively, www.customcruisers.com. Thank you.